And welcome to Binions, or Apache Hotel, room number 385. This is a premium room, which just means it's a little bit bigger and it has a mini fridge compared to the basic rooms. Probably won't stay here again, but I wanted to give it a try. Very basic. There's your mini fridge. Small table, the stained glass window. The windows seem to be screwed shut, thank goodness, because there's a rooftop right outside the window. I know they're trying for like the old school theme with the old rotary dial phone. Nice lamps. The old looking radio. You got a safe down there and a nightstand. Just very old wood floors, creaky. Probably the nicest thing about the room is the bathroom. It does look nice and updated. And that is it. Binions premium room. Just means it has a mini fridge and maybe a little bit bigger than the basic room. Supposedly it's haunted. We'll see.